Hey guys, Deronda here. Have you ever wondered how to make scrambled eggs in a microwave? Simple and easy to do, and I've got you covered. Start with a microwave safe bowl. I'm taking butter, generously gonna butter the inside of the bowl. Put our 2 eggs right here into our micro-safe bowl. Sometimes in your eggs you can get these cytoskeletons. As you see, that's the little white thing that holds the yolk with the white, and I do like to move that. At times you can just take a fork, stick it in there, remove them, and discard them. I'm going to remove the other one as well. It's okay if your yolk breaks. Add a teaspoon of cream. I'm using a heavy whipping cream, or you can use milk or 2% milk or coconut milk. Just a little salt. Add as much as you want, or just leave it out. And fresh cracked pepper with a fork. Beat these 2 eggs very, very well. As you can see, I like moving the bowl back and forth. That helps get the yolks well incorporated with the whites of the eggs and all the ingredients we've added. Now, this is off to the microwave for the next 30 seconds on high. After 30 seconds, your egg is going to be looking like this. You can see how it's starting to cook around the edge, but still we need to microwave it longer. At this point, I add my cheddar cheese and give it a lovely little stirring. Just whisk it around like if your eggs were not even halfway scrambled yet. This is back to the microwave for an additional 30 to 40 seconds, or until you get the firmness on your scrambled eggs. You've got lovely, delicious scrambled eggs in less than 2 minutes. That cream makes them lovely and moist, and that cheese makes them so ooey and gooey. By the way, if your bowl gets a little hot, use a tea towel. I'm Deronda with Foods 101, just like you made them in a skillet. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.